Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan will be produced in a Mumbai court today after spending 4 days in NCP custody. 23-year-old Aryan, who was arrested in the cruise drug bust case, is likely to be produced at the Magistrates Court in Esplanade at 2 p.m. for the bail hearing. Now, the bail plea of Aryan's close friend Arbaz Merchant and other crew passengers who were also arrested will come up for hearing. While Aryan's counsel claims no drugs were found with him in his possession, the NCB has claimed that they have crucial proof of his links to drug deals and to peddlers. Aryan has been lodged in the NCB office lockup, and also he's been getting clothes from home. Food has been given to him from a nearby eatery. He gets to speak to his family from the landline connection at the NCB office. A foreign national and a suspected peddler have also now been arrested by NCB. Drugs in commercial quantity were recovered from the accused. Let's take this across to Pankaj Upadhyay for more details. Pankaj, any clarity or communication from the NCB on what their step is going to be next? Will they be seeking additional custody of Aryan Khan, or do they believe that all the information that they needed, they've managed to get from him?
Akshita, it remains to be seen as to what the next strategy of the Narcotics Control Bureau is really going to be. But with the statements that we've been hearing from the official, it seems that the NCB would still want to present a watertight case in front of the court. The latest that we are hearing from the officials is that last night they have arrested one more drug peddler from the suburban area of Bandra with commercial quantity. And now, I'm sorry, there's some technical.
Pankaj, we'll give you a few minutes there to switch on your mic. We're going to give you a couple of minutes because we're having a bit of a problem there with Pankaj's audio. Pankaj was getting us details of really what the NCB strategy is like going into today's bail plea hearing. Whether Aryan Khan will be given bail or not will also largely depend on whether the NCB seeks an extension of custody. Pankaj is back with us. Pankaj, go ahead.
Two important and interesting news items that I wish to tell the viewers. One, of course, is that the NCB maintains they have arrested a drug peddler from the suburban area of Bandra, and that too with commercial quantity. NCB also says that this drug peddler is associated with this very case. Now, arresting a drug peddler with commercial quantity, strengthens the case of the NCB, because they might go in front of the court and say the investigation is ongoing and that they are seizing commercial quantity from the various drug peddlers, and they have already said that the first three respondents, namely Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun, have been in nexus with the various drug peddlers, and that they need to trace and apprehend the various known and unknown associates of these first three respondents. Now, at the same time, interestingly, Arbaz Merchant's father has also filed an application in the court saying that there was no drug found in Arbaz as well in person, and then this is an entire fabricated case, and that he has also said that the court now needs to see the CCTV footages of the international cruise terminal, saying that at the point of time when Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant were near the ship, they had not even boarded and they were apprehended and no drugs were found in person, and that this theory that 5 or 6 gram of drugs were found in his shoes is totally baseless. So it's going to be a big task for the NCB today in the court of law to refute these charges and prove evidence as well, and at the same time bring out additional evidence as well, because from day one, NCB has been maintaining that their investigation is on. They are apprehending drug peddlers on a daily basis, and that this is a part of a larger conspiracy. And specifically for Aryan Khan, Arbaz and Munmun, they have said that they have got incriminating evidence in the form of various WhatsApp chats. So corroborative evidence will be a key which the NCB will have to present today in front of the court of law.
All right, Pankaj, we'll keep coming across to you for the latest updates on exactly what the NCB strategy is going into today's hearing. Let's also focus on the fight that's broken out between the ruling NCP and the Narcotics Bureau in Maharashtra over this drug bust. NCP Minister Nawab Malik has hit out at the Narcotics Control Bureau Chief Samir Wankade's statement, where he said that 8 to 10 people have been arrested so far, while 8 people were reportedly arrested. So Nawab Malik has pinpointed that issue and claimed that Wankade was not sure about the number of arrests, or clearly had the intention to frame 2 more people. Malik had shared purported videos of private detective Kiran Kusavi and BJP worker Manish Bhanushali entering the NCB office on October 2nd. This was the same date, reportedly, that Aryan Khan was detained by the NCB. Earlier videos of Bhanushali and Gosavi had surfaced where they were seen bringing Aryan and Arbaz Merchant along with other accused to the NCB office after they were detained by the anti-drug agency. NCB has denied all the allegations levelled by Nawab Malik, calling these allegations baseless and aimed at affecting anti-drug operations. NCB has said that these charges may be retaliation against its legal actions, hinting at the earlier arrest of Nawab Malik's son-in-law Samir Khan by the NCB in a drug case. Samir Khan had gotten bail after spending 8 months in prison.
Some allegations leveled against the organizations are baseless and seem to have been with malice and probable prejudice that may have been harbored in retaliation against earlier legal action carried out by NCB. NCB reiterates that its procedure has been and will continue to be professionally and legally transparent and unbiased.
आज अगर एनसीबी के अधिकारी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लेके कहते हैं कि प्रेजुडिस मानसिकता से हो रहा है, जवाब चाहिए तो न्यायालय में जाओ। क्या अधिकारी भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी की भाषा बोल रहे हैं? हर सवाल पर बीजेपी कहती है कि न्यायालय में जाओ। सवाल ये है कि फर्जीवाड़ा हुआ है, बीजेपी के पदाधिकारी लोगों को गिरफ्तार करते नजर आए हैं। इसका जवाब देने के बजाय आएं बाएं घूमना ये ठीक नहीं है।
Even after drawing flag over the probe from NCB in the Mumbai cruise drug bust case and the arrest of Aryan Khan, NCB has denied all these charges. Here's an exclusive conversation that we had with the NCB's zonal director, Samir Wankade.
नवाब मलिक ने तमाम ये आरोप लगाए कि 2 उसमें ऐसे शख्स थे जो बाकायदा नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो तक अक्यूज को लेके आ रहे थे, वो बीजेपी के लोग थे। ऐसा नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो पर आरोप लगाया, आपका क्या कहना है?
जो कार्रवाई हुई है सब लीगली प्रमाण से हुई है, कायदे के हिसाब से हुई है, तो ज़्यादा उसमें कुछ कहना नहीं है।
अच्छा, उसमें मतलब जो जिन पर ये आरोप लगाया जा रहा है कि बीजेपी के हैं, तो बेसिकली पंचनामा की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, तो वो पंचनामा
देखिए अगेन मैंने जैसा कहा है कि सब ये कायदे के प्रमाण के हिसाब से लीगली वे में हुआ है एंड एज पर दी लीगल प्रोविजंस। मैं इतना ही कहूँगा इस बारे में।
मेरा ये सवाल है कि लगातार आप कई सेलिब्रिटीज़ को इधर बीच में हमने देखा कि खुद कवर भी किया कि कई टीवी एक्टर एक्ट्रेस और कई बड़े ड्रग पेडलर पे को आपने गिरफ्तार किया। मुंबई में आप पोस्टर बॉय बन चुके हैं खासकर, और काफ़ी खौफ भी है। तो इस वजह से ये आरोप लगाया जा रहा है कि आप बड़े लोगों पर ही, बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज़ पर ही टारगेट।
देखिए ये तो मैं मानने नहीं करता हूँ कि जो वर्ड अपने वी आर जस्ट गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट परफॉर्मिंग आवर ड्यूटी, वी आर द सर्वेंट्स ऑफ द पीपल। सो ये जो वर्ड है मैं नहीं मानूंगा इसके बारे में। सेकेंडली जो हमारे स्टैटिस्टिक्स है मुंबई एनसीबी के, अगर पिछले 1 साल में आप देखेंगे एनसीबी नॉल ने काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है ड्रग्स को क्लीन करने के लिए। मुंबई महाराष्ट्र में भी आप देखेंगे तो हमने कोशिश किया है कि एक एनवायरनमेंट ड्रग फ्री एनवायरनमेंट देने की कोशिश की है। इसमें मोर देन 312 लगभग अरेस्ट हुए हैं इस साल अब तक। उसके अलावा भी 100 से ज़्यादा केसेस भी हुए हैं। कई प्रकार के ड्रग्स पकड़े गए हैं, कई प्रकार के ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्राइम ड्रग क्राइम सिंडिकेट्स को भी बस्ट किया गया है एंड नाम भी आप लोग जानते हैं कौन से क्या है। तो जो बड़े बड़े हमारे जो मैंडेट है ऑर्गेनाइज्ड क्राइम सिंडिकेट को डिसमेंटल करना, वो भी हमने किया है। तो ऐसा ये नहीं है कि जो एनडीपीएस एक्ट वायलेट करता है तो एनसीबी वी आर सक्षम टू टेक एक्शन अगेंस्ट।
आर्यन खान को लेकर शाहरुख खान के बेटे की गिरफ्तारी हुई है, कई तरह के आरोप लग रहे हैं कि ड्रग्स रिकवर नहीं हुआ है और तमाम तरह के आरोप लगा रहे हैं। अगर आप कुछ बता पाएँ कि किस तरीके से वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन आगे बढ़ रही है?
देखिए जैसा कि अभी माननीय न्यायालय के सामने केस है, मैटर इज सब जुडिस, इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑन है, मैं उसके बारे में कोई भी टिप्पणी नहीं।
एविडेंस है आपको इस केस में कितनी अब तक गिरफ्तारियां हो चुकी हैं, बता पाएं अगर टोटल अब तक कितनी गिरफ्तारियां हुई?
इस केस में जो अरेस्ट हुए 16 अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं अभी तक और कई प्रकार के ड्रग रिकवर हुए हैं जैसे कि कोकेन, एमडीएमए, मेफेड्रॉन, हाइड्रोपोनिक वीड और हशीश, ये प्रकार के ड्रग्स रिकवर हुए।
इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी आपकी जारी रहेगी? पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर है उसके बावजूद?
उस बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन तो जारी ही रहेगी, न्याय प्रावधान भी है उसमें एंड विद इन स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम विल डू अ गुड जॉब एंड प्रोफेशनल जॉब।